In this video, I will show you how to simply schedule YouTube video upload on your PC without any stress. Let me show you how. After you have able to upload all the video and at the same time you have done with every necessary settings into your video, next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to visibility section right here. Under the visibility, scroll down right here until you get to schedule right here. What you want to do is to click on this arrow right here, and it's going to open up like so. You want to make sure you choose your schedule options date right here. So for that, you want to make sure you click on here, and then I'm going to schedule this for 21st of this month of this year, and then go ahead and click on time right here. Go ahead and choose your time. So I'm going to put this in 9 a.m. right here. So you can as well click on the time zone right here. So you want to make sure you choose your time zone based on your locations right here. So just go ahead and select a time zone related to your post right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to come down below right here. Go ahead and hit on schedule right here. And this is going to pump up right here. You can see this video, your video will be sent to public on this particular day of this particular time, as the case may be. All you have to do is to simply click on close right here. Just go ahead and click on close tab right here, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this about YouTube topic, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.